It's time now for the business day. Thanks for staying with us. Caribbean Cement's profits for 2020 rose by more than $1 billion as the local construction sector remained buoyant amid the COVID-19 pandemic. During the 12 months, Caribbean Cement recorded $3.1 billion in consolidated net income, up from $1.8 billion in 2019. Revenue was $2.3 billion higher. Caribbean Cement says the increase in revenue was related to stronger domestic demand and the company's capacity to supply the local market. The Planning Institute of Jamaica recently reported that the construction sector grew 6.2% during the October to December period. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $151.28. The Canadian dollar sold for $119.51. The pound is going for $209.38, while the euro ended the day at $188.38. On the stock market now, the JSE index lost 1,189 points today, and the junior market index is down 47 points. Among the winners were Dolphin Cove, Main Event, Palace Amusement, Stationery and Office Supplies, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. On the losing side, Portland JSX, Siboney Group, SSL Venture Capital, Everything Fresh, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. And that's it for the business day. International stories after the break.